In a world full of scientific discoveries, atoms, the building blocks of matter, are present everywhere, from air we breathe to the stars that twinkle above us. They are the invisible entities that form everything around us, shaping our world and our perception of reality.
Hello everyone, I am Carjan Villanueva,
And I am Mario Joyce Espanueva.
and today, join us as we dive into the marvelous world of elemental building blocks, also known as atoms. Atoms. Atoms are the fundamental building blocks of the chemistry. An atom consists of central nucleus that is surrounded by one or more negatively charged electrons. They are composed of even smaller subatomic particles, namely protons, neutrons, and electrons. Why is it called atoms?
The word atom is derived from the ancient Greek word atomos, which means uncuttable or indivisible. The earliest concepts of the nature of the atom were debated in ancient India and ancient Greece.
All things we see with our eyeballs are basically made of atoms, whether it is a solid, liquid, or gas. Even humans and animals has atoms too. Living things or non-living things are still consist of atoms, but a single atom is so small that it's impossible to see with our naked eye, even with the most microscopes.
Seriously? How small is an atom?
Fun fact, a human hair is roughly 500,000 times more wider than an atom. Amazing, right? Have you ever heard of an atomic model? Atomic models of the model are used to describe the structure of the makeup of an atom. Just like the globe is a spherical model of the Earth. When do you think of a word basketball? What's the first thing that comes into your mind? Probably a orange sphere? Or perhaps your favorite athlete driving home a slam dunk.
The same thing is true about atoms. Generation ago, people didn't know exactly what was inside of an atom, but they had ideas or theories. Well, to find out, we must travel back in the time of ancient Greece, all the way back to 400 BC.
Meet Democritus, a Greek philosopher that many historians credit for the first clearly proposing the idea of atoms. In his day, it was thought by some that if you were to chop up a piece of matter, an apple for an instance, you could just keep on chopping forever and ever. There was no end to smallness.
However, this theory was largely discredited by Aristotle, the original social influencer who believed that everything on this planet is made of four elements, which are earth, fire, water, and air.
Later on, 1911, Ernest Rutherford, also known as the father of nucleus physics, theorized that atoms have their positive charge concentrated in very small nucleus. He used an alpha particle scattering technique on a gold sheet. In the year 1913, Niels Bohr presented a picture of atomic structure. He based his study on 3x3 Rutherford discovery on the atomic nucleus. He also stated that electron revolves in their orbits without losing energy.
From Democritus to modern-day scientists, understanding of atoms has evolved continuously, allowing us to grasp their intricate structure and behavior. The discovery of subatomic particles and the development of the various atomic models have revolutionized scientific fields, understanding of the physical world around us. As technology continues to advance, so too will our understanding of atoms, unlocking new possibilities and avenues for scientific exploration.
Fun fact. Okay. See with our eyeballs at eyeballs. 2, 3, and then hi.